first learned about felt from a friend that my partner and I go open water swimming with in Baja California Sur in Mexico, where I live. So we started using felt to begin like collectively mapping out the various swimming routes throughout the state and providing intel on accessible beaches, the places to camp. And so these blue lines are the routes that we've swam, and we've put some different information here, like a sunken boat and other things. I soon realized like how powerful this tool is and how easy to use. So I started using at work as well. And so I'll show a second map. This is it. So I work for the Nature Conservancy, an organization that is dedicated to generating solutions for the environment's most pressing challenges to improve outcomes for people and nature. And my focus is in ocean, and I work to improve fisheries and aquaculture. And so frequently within our work, there is a need to map out different things to inform decisions, and things like where we site aquaculture operations and marine protected areas to maximize the biodiversity and benefits to coastal communities. And so last month, we brought together a group of over 40 people that included government, farmers, academia, and organizations to discuss the future of aquaculture in Baja. So all these green areas are the optimal areas that all these experts identified for oysters and clams. And then the blue areas for finfish. The red areas people consider that are not ideal. So here they put why. They put comments on, this is like a protected area, it's a critical habitat. And then some of the red areas also need more information. And that's why they were highlighted in that color. And I really liked these different functionalities. Like some people put polygons where they know there is already things. Some people just shaded the areas. Other put points, just dots like this that mark different places. And this is like a seamount. And so this was super useful. And this map was so compelling for the in-person participants that all the paper maps were transcribed to this felt map. And this was something that we could share back with all the participants at the end of the workshop. So this was like super, super useful for us.